Hello friends, good morning. My name is Shubham Gudiwal and our today topic is why to immutable string immutable. Okay. Uh, in Java string are immutable and obvious questions that is treated frequently in interviews in why string are designed as immutable in Java. James Gosling, the creator of Java, was once asked in an interview when should one use immutable, to which he answered, I would use an immutable whenever can. He further supports his argument string further that immutable provides, such as catching security easy resource without republication etc. In the tutorial we will further explore why the Java language designer decided to keep string immutable. Okay, why is an immutable object? An immutable object is an object whose internal states remain constant after has been inherit created. Okay, this means that once the object has been assigned to a variable, we can neither update the reference nor mutate the internal states by any means. We have separate articles that discuss immutable objects in details. For more information, read the immutable objects in Java article. Okay, why is string immutable in Java? Okay, the key benefits of keeping this class as immutable are caching security, synchronizations, and performance. Let's discuss how this thing works. Introduced to string pool. Okay, the string is the most widely used data structure. Catching the string literals and reusing them saves a lot of heap space because different string variables refer to the same objects in the string pool. String in interpool server extreme this purpose. Okay, Java string pool is the social memory region where strings are stored by the JVM. Since strings are immutable in Java, the JVM optimize the amount of memory allocated for them by storing only one copy of each literal string in the pool. This process is called interning. Okay, because of the purpose of the string pool in the uh, preceding example, two different variables are pointing to same string object for the pool, thus saving circle memory resource. We have separate article decided to Java string pool for more information. 3.2 Security. This string is widely used in Java application to store sensitive pieces of information like usernames, passwords, connections, URLs, network connections, etc. It's also used externally by JVM class loaders while loading classes. Hence, securing string classes is circle regarding the security of the whole application in general. For example, consider this simple code snippet. Okay, if string were mutable, then by the time we executed the update we can be sure that the string we received even after performing security checks will be safe. Okay, okay friends, thank you, bye.